Hello friends, on this video right I'm going to show you, suppose you don't know how to create slow motion video or how to record slow motion video on your Oppo mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, you have to move on camera, so just tap on camera. When you move on camera, from here you can see there is many options for the camera. Okay, here is the night, video, photo, and here is the more option. Just tap on more option and here you are going to find the slow motion video. Just click on slow mo. Then after that, from here you can record slow motion video. Just click here, then just move your camera or mobile phone or work. Okay, suppose here somebody is working, then after that pause your camera. And now let's check the video. Okay, suppose I have finished to record slow motion video, and here is my slow motion video. See, it's too fast, then it will be slow. Right now it's slow, it's little bit fast only because I move fast. No, that's why. See, right now it's fast, I mean slow. Okay, see, I'm working. So if you want to record slow motion video, like you want to work or you want to record the working slow motion video, okay, then you can record easily like this. Okay, here slow motion video is working nicely, I like it. Okay, so suppose you don't know and you know right now, then please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, and I want to show you something more. Just click on this back button and click on the again on this here you can use even this sticker, export, time lapse. I really like this time lapse when recording. No, it will fulfill the every background. Okay, from here to till here. If you want to record, then it's very nice. Pano, macro, even pen also, I just love it. So which one you want to use, you can use from here. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.